Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Mendeley. Basically, Mendeley is a reference management tool that we use to manage our citations in our articles or research work. Okay. So basically, it helps you to cite authors and journals in your research work or project work or even your own publications. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to you can download it and install it, and it's actually a free software. So all you need to do is make sure that you have your internet connection. Once you have that, make sure to open up your browser. So I'm going to open up Chrome here. Now in the address bar, you search for Mendeley. When you finish searching for Mendeley, you press enter. And the search results, click on the first link that appears. That is www.mendeley.com. Once you have the website open up, wait for it to load. Then at the top right, you see download. So you click on download. You click on download, you see that we have download for Windows. You can check for the other releases if you want. Right now I'm on Windows, so I'm going to download for Windows. If you are on Mac or Apple, download for Mac OS. If you're on Linux, you download for Linux. So click on download now for Windows, and you can see that our download has started. Okay, so I already have this downloaded and installed, so I'm not going to re-download it. I'm just going to close it. Once it finished downloading, you're going to find the uh, installer in your downloads. Okay, so you go and open that up.